All right, my third grade mathematicians, I hope you had fun with your Tetronimo puzzles and finding different ways to create the areas inside the Tetronimos. So let's take a look at some examples here. So what is the area of this shape in your student activity book? So I don't know which page number that would be on. I think that one is on the page 240. Okay, so if you want to take a look at your shape, and then we can talk about my shape. So what is the area? 4 square units. We talked about in the last lesson how tetronimos have an area of 4 square units. So this is how I filled in the area. I put 2 square units and then 4 small triangle units. How does that equal 4 square units? Well, we have 1 whole square unit right here. Okay. Then we have another whole square unit. And what did we say the area of a half? I'm sorry, I just gave you the answer. What did I say the area of one of the small triangles would be? 1/2, because it's 1/2 of the square unit. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 1/2 units. Okay. Oops, can't see that. Okay. And so I have 1 plus 1 is 2. My 1/2 triangle and another half triangle makes another whole square unit. And then another half triangle and 1/2 triangle is another whole square unit. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4 square, you can put SQU, square units. Now if we knew if it was feet or inches or yards, we would put square feet, square yards. But it doesn't tell us the unit. Okay? Alright, so that was one way that I filled in that shape. And we know it is 4 square inches. Oh, it does tell us inches, 4 square inches, because we use 2 whole square units and then filled in the remaining 2 square units or square inches with 2 half inches each, 2 half triangles each. Okay, all right. Now, another reason I wanted to talk about this shape here. This shape, we mentioned in the previous video that it equaled 1 whole square unit, and I wanted to further show you why. If you had your cutout of this shape and you snipped the tip, you could even see it here. If you snipped this tip and put it with the remaining of the rectangle, and you put it back together, whoops, then you would find that you would have 1 square unit. So I cut the tip and I'm putting it back, and when I do that, it looks like 1 square unit. So that's why, another reason why the bigger triangles equal to 1 square unit. Okay. Well, I hope you had fun today with your Tetronimo puzzles. Tomorrow we're going to be talking about area and perimeter, and I have an awesome wrap that I'm going to share with you all. Okay. Well, until then, happy Tetronimo puzzle solving.